The Indian Railways is making rapid progress in developing advanced infrastructure and improving passenger facilities. As part of these efforts, there is a comprehensive makeover process underway for railway stations across the nation. The Secunderabad railway station in Telangana is set to undergo redevelopment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of redevelopment work on 8 April 2023. The station will be equipped with 26 lifts, 32 escalators and 2 travelators for the convenience of passengers. To enhance passenger mobility, there will be designated entry and exit points. The redevelopment plan incorporates the inclusion of amenities such as multi-level parking, a food court and modern public announcement systems. A 3-floor north-side station building is being constructed in an area spanning 22,516 square meters. South-side station building is undergoing expansion with a new 3-floor building being constructed in an area of 14,792 square meters. As part of the ongoing construction, the north and south stations are also undergoing facade enhancements. A new 2-level 108-meter concourse, which will be connected with platform number 1 to 10, is also under construction. To have multi-modal connectivity, Skywalk is being constructed, connecting North Station building with East and West Metro stations and bus bay. Soil investigation and topography survey work have been completed. For the temporary booking office, the foundation, erection of columns and shelter work are complete, while flooring, plumbing, electrical wiring and false ceiling work are in progress. On the other hand, for the RPF building, the foundation and columns have been completed, while slab and partition walls work is in progress. Excavation and foundation of the basement in the south are in progress. Once the redevelopment work is completed at the Secunderabad station, the passengers will experience a hassle-free, seamless experience.